is David M. Hauser, Memphis, Tennessee. Well, for years, I've had some damage to the circular drive. I have like two driveways, a straight drive and a sidewalk, and then a circular drive. This weeping willow tree several years ago got under the driveway and messed that up, and then it got worse and worse and worse. And I've been putting off fixing it because it was part of the circular drive. But I decided that if I'm ever going to sell this house, I need to get this thing fixed. And so I was looking for a cheaper, more inexpensive way of fixing it than just getting rid of all the concrete, taking it away, and then I found you guys. That's how I found you. I met with Marcus Rhodes, and he kind of presented it to me and showed me, what you do and how you do it and what they would do in my property. We ranged on the price and everything. It sounded more reasonable than replacing all that concrete. And I like the idea that you put holes in the concrete and then you lift up the concrete to kind of protect it from what's underneath the concrete. And that looks even better. So it looks like a new driveway almost. Well, they were like the concrete crew that I had to replace part of the concrete in the circular drive, about 300 square feet. They were very mannerly. So were these guys. And Marcus called me to tell me that Tommy and the other crew that came out there were one of the best you guys had. So I was happy to hear that. And they were very good. I got some compliments from some people in the neighborhood that I was surprised at because they don't always compliment. And they all commented, "David, you finally fixed your driveway." And God, it looks so good. So they were real happy. I think I could recommend them strongly. And I was happy with the customer service, the attitude that they presented to me and how they sold me and everything. I'm easy to sell, but I ain't that easy.